Hi friends, welcome to my channel. And to get the regular job notifications here, I started one Telegram group and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so the interested candidates may join, guys. And in this video, we are going to see the assistant professor or guest faculty vacancies notification from the three different government universities. And here the permanent as well as the contract basis jobs are available. And for the permanent jobs, the salary is 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the complete course for the UG Senate Electronic Science and the Paper 1 JRF 2021, it is going to start from Jan 19, 2021. And here the educators are myself, Ashwani Kumar Gadige, which is dealing with the Electronic Science, and Ashima Negi dealing with the Paper 1. And regarding these details, you can see at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UG Senate Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is the first one is Guwahati University in the Assam. And you can check down that here the advertisement. The walk-in interview for the positions of teacher associate on purely temporary basis in some departments of Guwahati University will be held as per the procedure and the details given below. So mode of interview is a walk-in interview, and the candidate should bring their applications with an updated CV with the relevant original certificates or documents and the set of self-attested copies of the certificates, and the document verification from 9:30 to 10:30 am on the day of interview. And the interview will be held from 10:30 onwards as per the dates given here. And the no separate call letter for walk-in interviews will be issued to the candidates. No TADA will be provided, and the change in schedule of interview, if any, will be displayed on the official website itself. And the remuneration for the post of teaching associate will be 23,000 rupees per month, and that is a fixed one. The appointment will be initially for the 6 months, and in case no qualified candidates are found for any positions, the university reserves the right to appoint the suitable candidates as deemed fit and required. And coming to the departments and the schedule of the walk-in interview, here you may check down. For the foreign language, one position is there, qualification MA in Russian language and literature or European studies. And the specialization is also given here, and the walk-in interview for this one is already completed. And coming to the psychology, one position is there, MA in psychology, preferably MPhil or PhD, minimum 2 years of teaching experience at PG level is compulsory. And the walk-in interview is on 21st Jan 2021. And the MA in psychology, here also under the open category, the 21st/1/2021. That means the specialization they mentioned here. And next one is the environmental science, and the next one is the women's studies. So both these two, the walk-in interview dates are already completed. Next one is the University Law College. So MA in sociology, history, political science. On the 19th Jan 2021 is the walk-in interview, and this Master of Laws and LLM degree in the Constitutional Law and in the Open, 20th Jan is the walk-in interview date. And the Commerce, it is already completed. And coming to the Guwahati University Institute of Science and Technology, MTech is required in mechanical engineering and knowledge in the CAD software. The specialization is production and industrial engineering. On 22nd first in Jan is the interview date. And coming to the business administration, 25th. And coming to the computer science, 28th, and MIL and literary studies, 29th Jan 2020. So these are the walk-in interview schedule, guys. So whatever the procedure they mentioned, that you have to do the procedures to attend the walk-in interview, and these are the particulars you have to bring. And the document verification and the interview time is mentioned here, and the remuneration is also mentioned here. And coming to the second university is the Assam University. The last date for online submission of application form is 1st Feb 2021 up to evening 5 o'clock. And the last date for submission of downloaded application form along with the enclosures, 7th Feb 2021. and the non-refundable fee of 1000 rupees for UR and OBC. SC and ST and women candidates need not to pay any application fee. And here the pay scales or the academic levels are mentioned here. Coming to the assistant professor, it is the level 10 category. And here the assistant professor in the Silchar campus, the zoology in the Department of Education. Okay, under the open category, the zoology in the Department of Education, one vacancy is there under the open category. And here the finance officer and the section officer jobs are also there. So coming to the assistant professor, the qualification required is that, just go down, I will provide this PDF in the description box of this video, so you may check down. Okay, so as a level 10 category, as per the UGC regulations, the PG in the concerned department and the UGC NET is required. So for the accurate details, please once check the PDF in detail. And if you are having any technical problems, you may mail to this one and you may call to this one. Okay, so these are the details given here. Okay. And the mode of selection through the written test or skill test or viva voice. Okay, or the syllabus and the scheme of examination, etc., and the center of written test shall be decided in due course and notified accordingly. Fine. So these are the instructions, guys. And it is a second university. And while coming to the third one is Tejpur University. So it is a central university, and here the guest faculty vacancies are there from the physics, okay, and the mathematics. So you can check down the number of vacancies also here, and the qualification required for this one is master's degree with 55% of marks with the NET SLET or SET qualification. Okay, and commerce, the 3 vacancies are there, and mechanical engineering 3, food engineering and technology 1, and electrical engineering 3. So for these things, the respective qualifications are given here in the engineering department. That means MTech is required and PhD is desirable. So for the mechanical engineering, the PhD is given under the essential qualification. But while coming to the electrical engineering, the PhD in electrical is a desirable they given. So you may check down. So I will provide this link in the description box of this video. And appointed guest faculties will be paid 1,500 rupees per lecture and subject to 50,000 rupees per month. And the schedule of walk-in interviews are given here. Interviews online. Okay, physics, food engineering and technology, commerce, mechanical, mathematical, sciences and electrical. So 27, 28, 29 Jan and 1, 2, 3 of Feb. Okay, and the last date of registration is 22nd Jan 2021 evening 5 o'clock, and the respective email IDs are also given here. And the interested candidates are to register their names along with the detailed biodata or CV as per given in Annexure 1, along with the filled in Annexure 2 by email to the head of the concerned department as stated above with the subject line application for guest faculty Agnes advertisement 1 2021. So here the Annexure in the Annexure 1, the application is also given here. So you have to properly fill up this one and send to the respective mail IDs provided here. Okay. So these are the 3 different notifications, guys. Okay, please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be And why? Because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.